Fire is usually the worst enemy of wood. It burns it, destroys it, and leaves nothing behind but ash. But what if I told you that fire can actually make wood stronger and almost impossible to destroy? It sounds like a trick, but people have been doing this for
Imagine
hundreds
a
of
wood
years.
that never needs painting, resists fire, repels insects, and lasts over 80 years without maintenance. This is not a futuristic invention. It is a 300-year-old Japanese technique called Shou Sugi Ban. Shou Sugi Ban, known as Yakisugi in Japan, translates to burnt cedar plank. The process is simple. Char the surface of the wood with fire, cool it, brush off loose soot, and seal it with natural oil. But the results are anything but simple. When wood is burned, its surface transforms into pure carbon, charcoal. This carbon layer is naturally hydrophobic, meaning water beads up and rolls off, rather than soaking in and causing rot. The burning also destroys the cellulose and hemicellulose that fungi and insects feed on, making the wood resistant to decay and pests. Can charred wood really last a century? In Japan, traditional Yakisugi facades over 80 years old are still standing, having lost none of their beauty or functionality. If installed correctly and re-oiled every 10 to 15 years, Shou Sugi Ban can last the lifetime of the building, 100 years or more. The traditional method uses 3 planks tied together in a triangular chimney. Fire is introduced at the base, and the draft pulls the flames upward, evenly charring the inside faces. Once the desired burn depth is reached, the planks are separated, cooled, and brushed to reveal the final texture. Today, Shou Sugi Ban is used worldwide, from high-end architecture to furniture, interior walls, and even art installations. Famous architects like Terunobu Fujimori and Kengo Kuma have made charred wood a signature of their work. There is a beautiful paradox at the heart of this technique. Fire, the thing that usually destroys wood, is what makes it last. The very material that would burn a building is charred into something that resists flames. Shou Sugi Ban is proof that sometimes the oldest techniques are the most advanced. No chemicals, no toxic coatings, just fire, wood, and a little oil. And a philosophy that embraces imperfection. Wabi-Sabi, the beauty of things that age with grace.